Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel for another clean with me video. You really seem to like my power hour video that I posted earlier in the week. So today I decided to deep clean my fridge. Ever since after the holidays, we've just had so much stuff in our fridge, just from leftovers from Christmas. So I really wanted to just go through everything and clean it out, take out the stuff that was expired or bad or things that weren't too healthy, because now I am trying to really drop this baby weight and I do not need any type of distractions. So I start off by taking everything off of the shelves in the fridge, and then I fill the sink up with some water and put some soap in there, and I individually scrub each and every shelf just to make sure it's clean, because a lot of the times things fall and get sticky on the shelves. So I really just wanted to make sure that everything was clean. If you guys have any good recommended fridge cleaner, please leave me a comment down below, because I would love to actually use a fridge cleaner, but I didn't have anything on hand, so I'm just reverting back to the good old soap and water. Now I'm just going through everything and throwing out anything that is bad or something that's just really unhealthy that we really don't need to keep anymore. Once I finished going through all of the food, I just went back in and cleaned all the walls, just because you never know, things sometimes spill or splatter, and I really just wanted to make sure that I was getting everything. I also got the top of the shelf as well and wiped that down really good, and then dried it off with a towel. By this time, the shelves were about halfway dry, but I really wanted to make sure that they were completely dry. So I went in with a towel just to get any leftover water that may have still been on it. Then I put all of the shelves back and went through all of the food and really just tried to make sure everything looked nice. I really had no rhyme or reason of doing this. I just played around a bit and see what I liked best. Now I'm doing the same exact thing with the shelves on the door. I went through, made sure to clean everything, and then place them back on the towels on the floor to dry. And then went through all of our salad dressings and things like that. We even had some duplicates of some things or half open jars or cans, so I combined that just to reduce the amount of stuff that was in the fridge. The last thing I had left to do was just to do the same exact thing with the drawers that we have at the bottom of the fridge. And again, I'm going through, cleaning that out, and then letting them dry on the towels. These drawers had a lot of things that needed to be thrown out, because this is where we keep all of our fruits and our vegetables. So as you guys know, those are things that can go bad really quickly. I'm not exactly sure what happened to the last part of the clip of this video where you see me putting everything back in the drawers, but here's a picture of what everything looked like. I hope you guys enjoyed this deep clean with me video. Let me know down in the comment section what other videos you guys would like to see, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye.